Are you looking for like a strong shopping cart to buy? Climbing stairs cart. This VEVOR is good. It's not just that only that it's strong. You know, you have this thing like a box, like, so you can push it like as if you're pushing a trolley box. Like as if you're pushing a trolley box. If you don't want to bend it like this, you can move it this way. The rod part is super strong. It's not gonna break quickly. The only thing with it is doesn't come with a bag. You're gonna have to buy your bag yourself, but like I mean like a grocery bag. But aside from that, this is a good card. It's super strong. And then when you wanna store it, you actually have to close. You see that? You see how it closes? Yep. And then you just keep it like this by the side. It doesn't occupy any space. Super easy. And if you're going to the store, if you're going to anywhere, you can carry it this way. This way. Here. Yeah, you should get it. Here we go.